I'm going to show you how to do an extra large garden, and you'll see just how simple it is. So I've joined the last two short sides on. I put in this bit of reinforcing so that it doesn't bulge like one you might buy from one of the stores. And then I'll put the vinyl down on the ground once it's level, and it's ready for the liner. The vinyl's there just as a bit of a protection for the liner. Now we've put the liner in, it comes in the kit pre-folded. You just have to fold it out. You even get clips in the kit, put it out like that, and then the slotted hose goes down the bottom, and that's to deliver the water into the wood chip. Now we're ready to put the wood chip in, and then the mat will go on top of that. So now we've put the chip in, we've got that nice and firm, so that's a mix of chip and water. Then this bitumen geofabric, put that over the top of the chip, and the soil sits on top of that, and away you go. We've put the soil on now. It's really important to have good soil. I use a mixture of 50-50 compost and organic garden soil with some rock minerals and some organic fertiliser in it. So that's all gone in there. We've got our dipstick, so we know what level when we need to top it up, and a cap on there to keep the mozzies out. So that's about ready to plant. The only other thing is with this one, we've got holes in the corners, and I'll be putting my deluxe canopy on top of this one.